Harmonization of SAP bases with emerging technologies. Introduction. SAP Basis is the technical foundation of SAP S/4HANA, the latest generation of SAP Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) software. SAP Basis provides the essential services and tools for installing, configuring, managing, and securing SAP S/4HANA and its applications. SAP Basis also enables the integration of SAP S/4HANA with other systems and platforms, such as databases, operating systems, networks, and web servers. Emerging technologies are new and innovative technologies that have the potential to transform the world and create value for individuals, organizations, and society. Some examples of emerging technologies are artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, IoT. AI is the technology that enables machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. Cloud computing is the technology that provides on-demand access to shared computing resources and services over the Internet, such as data storage, processing, and analytics. IoT is the technology that connects physical objects and devices to the Internet, enabling data collection, communication, and control. The main purpose of this essay is to explore how SAP Basis can enable seamless integration with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT, and thus drive innovation and business transformation for organizations. The main thesis statement of this essay is SAP Basis can enhance the functionality and efficiency of SAP S/4HANA, improve the agility and flexibility of business processes, increase the productivity and profitability of operations, reduce the costs and risks of IT systems, optimize the use of resources and assets, and create greater customer satisfaction and loyalty through integration with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT. The main points of this essay are: the challenges of integrating SAP Basis with emerging technologies, such as technical, organizational, and security challenges. The opportunities of harmonizing SAP Basis with emerging technologies, such as enhanced capabilities, improved processes, and increased value. The roadmap for integrating SAP Basis with emerging technologies, such as defining the objectives, designing the strategy, implementing the solution, and managing the outcomes. The role of SAP Basis in driving innovation and business transformation through integration with emerging technologies, such as enabling new and improved ways of doing business, creating value and competitive advantage, solving complex and challenging problems, enhancing the customer experience and satisfaction, and achieving the strategic goals and objectives. The ethical considerations surrounding SAP Basis integrations, such as the impact, responsibility, fairness, transparency, and trust of the integration. The future of SAP Basis in the era of emerging technologies, such as the trends and developments, the challenges and opportunities, and the insights and recommendations for the future. Challenges of integrating SAP Basis with emerging technologies. Integrating SAP Basis with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT can bring many benefits and advantages for organizations, but it also poses many challenges and difficulties. Some of the key challenges faced by organizations in integrating SAP Basis with emerging technologies are: technical challenges. Technical challenges refer to the challenges related to the complexity and diversity of technologies and platforms, the compatibility and interoperability issues, the scalability and performance limitations, and the data quality and availability. Complexity and diversity of technologies and platforms. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT are complex and diverse, as they involve different architectures, interfaces, formats, protocols, standards, and functionalities. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires a high level of technical expertise and knowledge, as well as a comprehensive understanding of the requirements and specifications of each technology and platform. Compatibility and interoperability issues. Emerging technologies may not work well with SAP bases or SAP S/4HANA, as they may have different or incompatible architectures, interfaces, formats, or protocols. For example, AI models may require different data formats or structures than SAP S/4HANA. Cloud computing services may use different authentication or encryption methods than SAP bases, and IoT devices may communicate using different protocols or frequencies than SAP S/4HANA. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the compatibility and interoperability of the systems and platforms, as well as resolving any conflicts or inconsistencies that may arise. Scalability and performance limitations. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT generate and process large amounts of data, which may exceed the capacity and capability of SAP bases or SAP S/4HANA. For example, AI models may require intensive computing power and memory, cloud computing services may experience latency or downtime, and IoT devices may generate high volumes and velocities of data. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the scalability and performance of the systems and platforms, as well as optimizing the use of resources and assets. Data quality and availability. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT rely on data as the main input and output, which may affect the quality and availability of the data. For example, AI models may produce inaccurate or biased results, cloud computing services may suffer from data breaches or losses, and IoT devices may collect or transmit erroneous or incomplete data. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the quality and availability of the data, as well as validating and verifying the data sources and results. Organizational challenges. Organizational challenges refer to the challenges related to the lack of standardization and best practices, the inadequate infrastructure and architecture, the insufficient governance and management, the resistance to change and innovation, the siloed and fragmented processes, and the misalignment of goals and expectations. Lack of standardization and best practices. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT are new and innovative, which means that there are no established or widely accepted standards or best practices for integrating them with SAP bases or SAP S/4HANA. For example, there are no common or universal frameworks or methodologies for designing, developing, testing, deploying, or maintaining SAP basis integrations with these technologies. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires developing and adopting new or customized standards or best practices, as well as ensuring the compliance and consistency of the systems and platforms. Inadequate infrastructure and architecture. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT require a robust and reliable infrastructure and architecture to support their functionality and performance. For example, AI models require high-speed and high-capacity networks and servers, cloud computing services require secure and scalable cloud environments and platforms, and IoT devices require stable and seamless connectivity and communication. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires upgrading and updating the existing infrastructure and architecture, as well as ensuring the availability and reliability of the systems and platforms. Insufficient governance and management. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT involve multiple and diverse stakeholders and actors, such as developers, users, customers, partners, vendors, regulators, and competitors. For example, AI models require the involvement and collaboration of data scientists, business analysts, and domain experts. Cloud computing services require the coordination and cooperation of cloud providers, cloud consumers, and cloud brokers, and IoT devices require the participation and interaction of device manufacturers, device owners, and device users. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires establishing and implementing a clear and effective governance and management framework, as well as ensuring the accountability and responsibility of the systems and platforms. Resistance to change and innovation. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT introduce new and different ways of doing business, which may challenge the existing and traditional ways of doing business. For example, AI models may automate or augment human tasks and decisions. Cloud computing services may enable or facilitate remote and distributed work and collaboration, and IoT devices may create or enhance smart and connected environments and experiences. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires overcoming the resistance to change and innovation, as well as ensuring the acceptance and adoption of the systems and platforms. Siloed and fragmented processes. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT enable and require the integration and interoperability of different and diverse processes and functions, such as data collection, data processing, data analysis, data visualization, data sharing, data storage, data security, data governance, etc. For example, AI models require the integration and interoperability of data collection, data processing, data analysis, and data visualization processes. Cloud computing services require the integration and interoperability of data processing, data sharing, data storage, and data security processes, and IoT devices require the integration and interoperability of data collection, data transmission, data control, and data feedback processes. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires breaking down the silos and barriers between different and diverse processes and functions, as well as ensuring the alignment and coordination of the systems and platforms. Misalignment of goals and expectations. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT have different and diverse goals and expectations, which may not match or align with the goals and expectations of SAP bases or SAP S/4HANA. For example, AI models may have the goal and expectation of providing intelligent insights and automation. Cloud computing services may have the goal and expectation of providing scalable and reliable infrastructure and services, and IoT devices may have the goal and expectation of providing real-time and contextual data and feedback. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires understanding and reconciling the different and diverse goals and expectations, as well as ensuring the satisfaction and loyalty of the systems and platforms. Security challenges. Security challenges refer to the challenges related to the data breaches and cyber attacks, the unauthorized access and misuse of data, the loss of data integrity and reliability, the exposure of sensitive and confidential information, the legal and ethical liabilities, and the reputation and trust damage. Data breaches and cyber attacks. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT increase the exposure and vulnerability of the data and the systems to data breaches and cyber attacks, which may compromise the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data and the systems. For example, AI models may be hacked or manipulated by malicious actors, cloud computing services may be disrupted or hijacked by unauthorized parties, and IoT devices may be infected or controlled by malware or ransomware. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the security and protection of the data and the systems, as well as detecting and preventing any data breaches and cyber attacks. Unauthorized access and misuse of data. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT enable and facilitate the access and use of the data and the systems by multiple and diverse stakeholders and actors, which may increase the risk of unauthorized access and misuse of the data and the systems. For example, AI models may access or use sensitive or personal data without the consent or knowledge of the data owners or subjects. Cloud computing services may share or disclose data or services with third parties without the permission or awareness of the data or service providers or consumers, and IoT devices may collect or transmit data or feedback without the control or oversight of the device owners or users. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the privacy and confidentiality of the data and the systems, as well as providing the users and customers with the control and consent over their data and the systems. Loss of data integrity and reliability. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT depend on the accuracy and consistency of the data and the systems, which may affect the integrity and reliability of the data and the systems. For example, AI models may produce erroneous or inconsistent results due to data quality or model errors. Cloud computing services may suffer from data corruption or loss due to network or hardware failures, and IoT devices may generate or transmit inaccurate or incomplete data due to device or sensor errors. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the integrity and reliability of the data and the systems, as well as validating and verifying the data sources and results. Exposure of sensitive and confidential information. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT involve the collection, processing, analysis, visualization, sharing, storage, and governance of large amounts of data, which may include sensitive and confidential information, such as personal, financial, medical, or business information. For example, AI models may reveal or infer sensitive or confidential information from the data or the results. Cloud computing services may store or transfer sensitive or confidential information over the internet or the cloud, and IoT devices may monitor or record sensitive or confidential information from the physical or digital environments or experiences. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the protection and encryption of the sensitive and confidential information, as well as complying with the regulatory and ethical requirements. Legal and ethical liabilities. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT raise new and complex legal and ethical issues and questions, such as the ownership, responsibility, accountability, fairness, justice, transparency, explainability, and trust of the data and the systems. For example, AI models may create or affect legal or ethical rights and obligations, such as intellectual property, privacy, consent, liability, discrimination, or harm. Cloud computing services may involve or implicate legal or ethical contracts and agreements, such as service-level agreements, terms and conditions, or data protection laws, and IoT devices may generate or impact legal or ethical values and norms, such as safety, security, autonomy, or dignity. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the compliance and adherence to the legal and ethical principles and guidelines, as well as addressing and resolving any legal and ethical conflicts or dilemmas. Reputation and trust damage. Emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT affect the reputation and trust of the organizations and the customers, as they reflect the quality and value of the products and services, as well as the credibility and reliability of the providers and consumers. For example, AI models may damage the reputation and trust of the organizations or the customers if they produce inaccurate, biased, or harmful results. Cloud computing services may damage the reputation and trust of the organizations or the customers if they experience latency, downtime, or breaches, and IoT devices may damage the reputation and trust of the organizations or the customers if they malfunction, misbehave, or interfere. Integrating SAP bases with these technologies requires ensuring the quality and value of the products and services, as well as building and maintaining the reputation and trust of the organizations and the customers.